M3 weight loss system by Modere. What is it? Does it work? Is it worth all of the hype? And most importantly, do I still get to eat with this system? Oh my gosh, let me tell you how incredible this system is and how you are going to shed the pounds that you have always wanted to shed. But hey, if we are just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves with confidence and build their dream business online. In this channel, I give you weekly tips on how to build your network marketing business online using the same strategies that I've used to hit the top ranks in my company. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out. Okay, M3 weight loss system, you've probably heard about it. You've clicked on this. You want to know, does it work? Well, first, let me show you my girl Allison and the results that she had on this system. Guys, this is what it's doing. It is blasting your fat. This is 60 days on the system. She is crushing it. She's feeling better. She's looking better. She is got more energy than she's ever had before. This is my girl Jolene. She is a mom of triplets. Guys, look at what's happening in just 10 days, okay? So yes, does this system work? It absolutely does. Do you get to eat real food? Yes, you get to eat real food. This is not a fad diet. This is a style. This is a life change that you are going to make that you can tweak very easily, okay? So let's first talk about what are in the products, okay? The first is our Sync Shake. This is a fiber shake. You can take it for your after dinner meal if you have a sweet tooth like myself, or you can take it before dinner because it will fill you up so that you don't eat as much. But yes, you're eating your real food. You're eating a meal, okay? So that comes in it. It also comes with our burn. Our burn speeds up your metabolism, but it does not give you the jitters. I have taken some of these things that help speed up your metabolism, and oh my God, I'm so shaky. This stuff does not do it. It speeds up your metabolism. It gives you more energy, more clarity, more focus. It's absolutely amazing. You take this in the morning with your breakfast, or you can take one in breakfast, one in lunch. Depends on how your body reacts. I personally have no problem taking all three in the morning with my breakfast, and it just gives me amazing natural energy, speeds up my metabolism. The next one is Sync. These are a protein shake that you use as a snack. So you have your breakfast, then you have your Sync in the middle before your lunch as a snack, and it is a protein shake, like I said, and then you have your lunch, and so you've got your Sync. Now, that's the M3 weight loss system that we have. What you can add in, and what I totally recommend, is our trim. Our trim has won multiple awards in the weight loss industry. It has CLA, which is clinically proven to shrink your fat cells. Hello, that's amazing. And it has our multi-patented collagen. All right, so this comes in vanilla, it comes in lemon, it comes in coconut lime, and it comes in chocolate. Guys, this stuff is amazing. I totally recommend that you add this to your M3 if you really want to see results. This is the trim. It needs to be refrigerated. Now, let's talk about what are you doing. We ask that you take 3 and you make 3. So you're taking the 3 products, or if you're adding in the trim, you're taking 4 products. But if you make 3 and you're taking the 3 that you have to make, there's 5 choices, okay? If you're already doing them, they don't count, okay? These are things that you're not already doing in your life. So you want to drink 5 12-ounce glasses of water. If you're not drinking enough water in the day, we ask that you take that pledge. You drink 5 12-ounce glasses. Easy, right? Eliminate sugar drinks out of your diet. That's the second pledge that you can make. Eliminate sugar drinks. They're just empty calories. Your body doesn't need them. The third one is to cut fried food. So if you're a fried food eater, we're asking that you cut fried foods. The fourth one is to eliminate white stuff, flour, rice, and sugar. If you are like me and you're a white flour junkie, we're asking that you cut that out. And then the fifth one is to walk 10,000 steps a day. Okay, so you're gonna make 3 of those 5 pledges. You don't have to do all of them. You just make 3 and you take 3. You take our products, the M3 weight loss system, and you are going to see results, all right? That's all I can say is you're gonna see results. You're gonna love the simplicity of it. You're gonna love the fact that you are eating regular food. This is totally sustainable. It optimizes your body to start shedding that weight that you've wanted to get rid of, and it is absolutely amazing. And my question for you of the day is, have you tried any weight loss products before? Yes or no? Put it in the comments. I would love to hear how it's worked for you. And then what I have for you is a $10 off coupon code in the description of this video. So make sure that you are clicking on that link to get your $10 off coupon code on your M3 weight loss system. All right, make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is Julie Reynolds. I am posting every week for you on how to rock your business and brand yourself with confidence. Can't wait to see you next week.